Welcome to our channel Maths Hub.
Hello everyone, this is Pratibha. Today we'll solve some more examples of BODMAS with fractions. So the first question is 4 1 by 5 plus 2 1 by 4 divided by 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2, open the bracket, 2 by 3 into 3 by 8. So close the brackets. So this is the question. We'll see how to solve step by step process. Be careful, don't skip the video. The next is, firstly we have to solve the mixed fraction to improper fraction. So converting 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 1 is 21 by 5 plus 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 by 4 divided by 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 into 2 by 3 into 3 by 8. So the next step is we have to solve the in brackets one. So in the small brackets, 2 and 8 in the numerators and denominators, so we can cancel 2 1s are 2 8s are, and here 3 and 3 also we can cancel it. So the next step is 21 by 5 plus 9 by 4 divided by 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 4. So 2 4s are 8. So the next 21 by 5 plus 9 by 4 divided by, here 1 by 4 minus 1 by 8 is there, so we have to take the LCM. So 8 will be the LCM. So 4 2 times, so 2 1s are 2, 2 minus 1. So the next is 21 by 5 plus 9 by 4, 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 by 8. So the next step is 21 by 5 plus 9 by 4. Here we have to convert division into multiplication, so we have to reciprocal, so 8 by 1. So here we can cancel 4 1s are and 4 2s are 8. So 9 into 2, that is 18. So 21 by 5 plus 18. So that is equal to, we have to take here the LCM. So 5 is the denominator. So 21 plus 90 by 5, that is equal to, 21 plus 90 is 311. So 911 by 5, that is equal to 22 1 by 5. So we have to convert into the mixed fraction. So 22 1 by 5 is the answer. So the next question is 1 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4 divided by 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 into 1 by 4. So don't skip this video. Here we can know how to do fractions in step-by-step process. So don't skip. The solution is, the first step is we have to convert in the mixed fraction to proper fraction. So 2 1s are 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. 3 by 2 plus 3 by 4 divided by 1 by 2 minus, here in the bracket itself we solve. So 1 into 1 1, 3 4s are 12. So 1 by 12. So the next step is, here we have to solve in the bracket itself. So the next step is 3 by 2 plus 3 by 4 divided by 1 by 2 minus 1 by 12. So here it is 1 by 12 and 1 by 2. For this, the LCM, we have to take the LCM. So 12 will be the LCM denominator. So 3 by 2 plus 3 by 4 divided by 12 is the LCM denominator. So numerator will be 6 minus 1. It will comes in 6 times. So 6 ones are 6. 6 minus 1. So the next is 3 by 2 plus 3 by 4 divided by 6 minus 1 is 5. 5 by 12. The next step is 3 by 2 plus 3 by 4. Here divide is there. So we have to change the symbol. So into. So we will change the into sign. We have to reciprocal. So 12 by 5 into 12 by 5. Here we have the cancellation like 4 3s. So 4 1s and 4 3s you can cancel. So the next step is 3 by 2 plus 3 by 3 into 3 9. 9 by 1 into 5 5. So 9 by 5. Here again we have to take the LCM because the middle is the operation is plus. So 3 by 2 plus 9 by 5 is equal to 10 is the LCM denominator. So 15 plus 18. 9 to the 18. So 15 plus 18 is 33. 33 by 10. So that is equal to we have the question in the mixed fraction, so we have to convert into mixed fraction. So we'll get 3 by 10. So 3 by 10 is the answer. Thank you.